was a workaholic before until I suffered severe vertigo at naging sensitibo ang aking paningin at ayaw kong makakita ng konting movements, even a simpleng ingay o katok. Ayaw na ayaw ko. After kong gumamit ng Waki, for 2 days only, ang ganda ng effect. Could you imagine, nakaluwas ako ng Maynila without any companionship at all. And until now, ginagamit ko ang aking Waki sa aming tahanan. So thanks to Waki!
Let's go and Waki for a better life!
I am Maria Aurora Gonzalez. I'm so proud to Waki because my blood sugar was controlled. Waki is the best.
Waki is good. Waki is amazing.
Waki is the best.
Waki is the best.